Welcome to the fascinating world of bees. These incredible creatures play a crucial role in our ecosystem. And today, we'll dive deep into their lives and learn about their complex society. Be sure to watch until the very end, because I'll be revealing how researchers are studying the behaviors of individual bees, particularly the queen bee. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more amazing wildlife content. Bees are flying insects closely related to wasps and ants, known for their role in pollination. And, in the case of the best-known bee species, the European honeybee, for producing honey and beeswax. There are over 20,000 species of bees found on every continent except Antarctica. At the heart of the hive lies the queen bee, the only fertile female in the colony. The queen's primary role is to lay eggs, up to 2,000 a day during peak season. She also produces chemical scents that help regulate the unity of the colony. The queen can live up to 5 years, far longer than her worker offspring. Her reign starts in a royal cell, larger than other brood cells, where she is fed royal jelly, a special substance that allows her to develop into a fertile queen. Once she emerges, she takes a mating flight and stores sperm for the rest of her life. Drones are the male bees of the colony. Their sole purpose is to mate with a queen. Drones do not have stingers and do not participate in nectar or pollen gathering. If a drone successfully mates with a queen, it will die shortly after. During mating, the drone's endophallus is torn from its body, resulting in fatal injuries. This is the drone's ultimate purpose, and its life ends after fulfilling this role. Drones that do not mate are typically expelled from the hive as winter approaches. The worker bees push them out because drones are non-productive and consume valuable resources. Once expelled, these drones usually starve to death, as they lack the ability to forage for food on their own. Exiled drones become vulnerable to predators. Birds, spiders, and other insects often prey on the defenseless drones. Without the protection of the hive, they are easy targets. Drones pushed out of the hive are also exposed to harsh weather conditions. They are not adapted to survive outside the warm, controlled environment of the hive, and they quickly succumb to the cold or inclement weather. The expulsion of drones is a natural process that helps ensure the hive's survival during the winter months. By reducing the number of non-productive members, the hive conserves resources and increases its chances of surviving through periods of scarcity. While the fate of individual drones is grim, this practice reflects the hive's prioritization of collective well-being and resource management. Worker bees, all female, are the backbone of the hive. They perform a variety of tasks depending on their age. Worker bees collect nectar from flowers and store it in their special honey stomachs. Back at the hive, the nectar is transferred to other worker bees, who process it and store it in honeycomb cells. The nectar gradually turns into honey through evaporation, thanks to the constant fanning of bees' wings. Once the honey is ready, bees cap the cells with beeswax, preserving it for future use. Honey serves as the primary food source for the colony, especially during the winter months. Reproduction in the hive is a highly organized process. The queen lays both fertilized and unfertilized eggs. Fertilized eggs become female workers or queens, while unfertilized eggs become male drones. Larvae are fed by nurse bees and go through several stages before pupating and emerging as adults. Young workers clean cells and feed larvae. As they age, they take on roles such as building and repairing the hive, guarding the entrance, and eventually foraging for nectar and pollen. Bees have evolved several defense strategies to protect their hive. Worker bees use their stingers to fend off intruders. When a bee stings a mammal, the stinger, along with part of the bee's abdomen, is left behind, leading to the bee's death. This self-sacrificial behavior ensures the protection of the colony. Beekeepers often use smoke to calm bees, as it masks alarm pheromones and reduces the likelihood of aggressive behavior. Bees are vital to our ecosystem due to their role in pollination. They pollinate about 1/3 of the food we eat, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Without bees, our food supply would be severely impacted, leading to a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. Pollination by bees is not only crucial for agriculture, but also for maintaining biodiversity in natural habitats. They help plants reproduce, supporting entire food webs. The world of bees is truly fascinating. From the hard-working queen and diligent workers to the essential drones, each bee plays a vital role in the survival of the hive. Their complex social structures and behaviors are a testament to the incredible intricacies of nature. Beyond their intriguing lives, bees are indispensable to our ecosystem and food supply. In this rare footage, observe the master bee with a distinctive color spot on its back, gracefully wandering among its hive mates. Notice how the other bees give it a wide berth, showing signs of deference and respect. Have you ever seen a bee like this before? Is this a natural occurrence? This is a common method used in entomology to monitor specific bees within a hive, such as the queen or other significant individuals. The spot on this bee is likely a scientific marker used by researchers to track and study its behavior. In conclusion, bees offer profound lessons that extend beyond their ecological and agricultural importance. Their remarkable teamwork, efficient division of labor, adaptability, effective communication, diligence, sustainable resource management, sense of community, and resilience provide valuable insights for human society. By emulating these qualities, humans can foster greater cooperation, efficiency, and sustainability within their communities. The study of bees not only highlights the intricacies of nature, but also inspires us to build stronger, more harmonious, and resilient human systems. Next time you see a bee buzzing by, take a moment to appreciate its role in the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of bees. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing insights into the natural world. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature.